So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa sa Lucky Supermarket. Lumalengke kami pero nabutan kami ng ulan, no? Lakas, oh. Grabe. Lumalengke kami, pauwi na kami. Nabutan kami ng ulan. Ganun. Grabe lakas. Thunderstorm. Grabe, lakas. Paano tayo makakauwi niyan? Lakas. Kanina pa to. Mga siguro mga 15 minutes na siguro to. Mga 20 minutes na. Lakas. Grabe, lakas ng ulan. May thunderstorm ata. Oh. Lakas ng ulan, guys. Sa Pilipinas to, ang dami ng nilipad na hiyero dyan. Ulan, ulan, ulan. Nasa ulan. Grabe ulan. Grabe ulan. Rainbow. Dalawa, eh. Rainbow. Ganda pagka-rainbow niya, no? Talagang buong-buo, no?
As in, buong rainbow.
Buong-buo yung pagka-rainbow niya. Rainbow. Ganda ng pagka-rainbow, no? Mas buhok. Rainbow. Oh, rainbow! Malinaw dito yung rainbow ko, oh. Aray ko. Tuluan pa ako. Ganda, oh.
Ganda naman ang pagka-rainbow niya.
Rainbow. Talaga, bumbuo ka. Bumbuong ganun, no?
Wala, napakatingkad doon, no? Talagang
Oo.
kitang-kita mo yung kulay.
Kulay, violet, green, yellow, talagang rainbow, oh. Isang buo talagang ganun, dalawa talaga. Rainbow.
Ganda, no?
Look up high, what do you see? A rainbow shining bright for you and me. Red and orange, yellow too. So many colors just for you. Red, yellow, green and blue. Rainbow colors just for you. Purple, pink and orange too. Come and learn, it's fun to do. Green like grass and blue like the sky. Purple flowers growing high. Pink is sweet like a candy treat. Learning colors can't be beat. Red, yellow, green and blue. Rainbow colors just for you. Purple, pink, and orange too. Come and learn, it's fun to do. Round and round, the colors spin. Let's start again. Where should we begin? Red, yellow, green,